because it is a very well reputed organization. It can give boom to my career as I will get exposures within different states or within different cities, और also जब मैं किसी न्यू एनवायरनमेंट में जाऊंगी तो आई विल ऑल्सो लर्न समथिंग न्यू फ्रॉम माई चिल्ड्रंस और माई कलीग्स और माई सीनियर्स.
आपके कलीग्स आपके बारे में क्या कहते हैं?
Sir, my colleagues say I am a very hard-working girl and also I make children very comfortable with me.
Okay. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने अलग अलग तरीके के बच्चों को तो हैंडल किया होगा?
Yes, sir.
तो क्लास में मान लीजिए कुछ बच्चे हैं वो थोड़े नोटी है, तो उन बच्चों को कैसे हैंडल करोगे?
Sir, being naughtiness describes their energy.
Okay.
So as they have a lot of energy,
Definitely.
So I will put their energy in a positive direction. Sir, by making them indulging in classroom curricular activities like making them monitor.
Okay.
So that they can keep a check and also they can learn how to be quiet in the class.
Okay.
Also by making them giving duties of uniform checking.
Yes.
So that if he or she will check others' uniform properly, he or she will also get motivated to be in a proper dress up or something.
Right. And sometimes some students are slow learners, they learn very slow. So how you deal with these students?
Sir, it is not a problem. Being a slow learner, it doesn't mean he or she is dull. They just need some extra care.
Very good.
So I can organize class tests, surprise test or any extra classes for them so that they can learn properly.
Okay. See, you are going out of your city, quite far from your city, and you are getting job any corner of India. So how will you survive with the language? Because there people are not used to with Hindi language, which you are common with. Then how will you manage?
Sir, I will use the second language of the world, English. I am very comfortable in speaking in English because I have studied from English medium school and also college from.
Can you tell me something about your school in English?
Yes, sir.
Please.
My I have studied from Bihani Children's Academy.
Okay.
It is a great school. It has amazing faculty and extracurricular activities. It also organizes a yearly fest which is very popular among the students, and also they are very energetic towards it. Also it has a great annual function because it organizes it in a modern way, but its theme is always folk, like Rajasthani folk or related to tradition.
What are your views about women empowerment?
So women empowerment is a very important topic nowadays because women are getting engaged in every stream of the country, like teaching profession.
Yes.
And also they are pilots or chefs, even
army, navy.
Navy. Yes.
Then what are your views about this?
Sir, it is a very great concept because everything cannot be handled by men. Like being a teacher or being a PRT teacher, it can be handled by women betterly because I think they they raise their children at home and they have a experience with getting engaged children and know their needs or something.
Any ideal personality of your life?
Yes, sir. My cousin.
Okay.
He is finance manager in ONGC Videsh.
Okay.
Also, he is very polite with everyone. He has a great sense of humor. He is very intelligent.
Okay, wonderful. You have really given a good interview.
Thank you.
Now it's the right time to give some particular tip to my students, those who are going for such interviews. Friends, if you are going for such an interview, the very important tip which I want to give you is that during an interview what happens, they will ask you regarding PRT, the work profile, everything. But one important thing which they definitely see is your language, your accent of speaking. If you are comfortable with both Hindi as well as English, the chances of your recruitment will be more. Because interviewers always expect a versatile personality. And by saying versatile is not the matter of concern, you have to show them that you are extrovert, you are versatile, as well as you are prudent. Three things you must have. The first should be your attitude, that should be positive. Second is your skill, most important, the way you are speaking, your soft skills. And the third point is your knowledge. If you are having knowledge, as I asked from Harshita, tell one poem in Hindi, tell one poem in English. So definitely they will give you chance to go on the board and describe or give a demo of one poem. At that time, you should be well prepared. So prepare these things and best wishes to all of you. We are really proud of you, Harshita. Keep it up. Blessings to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.